Why most of the people fail in UPSC exam? Can you answer this question for me? Little bit confused. Okay, let me give you option. A. They are not hardworking. B. They are not intelligent. C. They don't like to study. And D. They don't know what to study and how to study. But obvious, you have selected option D, because most of the aspirants do not know what to study and how to study. So today's video is all about how to predict UPSC exam, which is the most unpredictable exam in the world. So let's begin with our video. UPSC provides us two things. First, syllabus of UPSC examination, and second, previous year questions of the UPSC. We will crack this exam on basis of these things. If I will ask you how many times have you read the syllabus? Almost every aspirant have read the syllabus 2 or 3 times. But if I ask you, did it matter you a lot? So your answer will be no. Because it is of no use reading only syllabus. So you will ask me why? Because you need to link the syllabus to previous year question to be productive. Now you will ask me how to link it. Then I will say you, it is a small exercise of a day or two. But see the video till end and I will tell you a hack through which you can do this exercise in just 2 to 3 hours. So what is the exercise? The very first step you have to do is to divide the syllabus of each GS paper into parts or points. For example, GS paper 1 contains 8 points like history, modern history, post-independence history, world history, geography, society. Step 2, you need to make a table with rows of parts and chapters and column of years. You can make 2 different tables for prelims and mains so that it will be easy for you to study prelims integrated and mains integrated differently. Repeat this exercise for each and every subject that we need to study. For example, say history, geography, economics, etc. You will get a table chart ready for you to go to action. Now you are in a question mark to how to use this table. So don't be worried, let me tell you how to use this table. What you can do with this table. How this table is very useful for you. The very first thing is, this table will make your focus very clear regarding the exams. You will get to know what you need to study and what you need not to. It will help you in preparing a strategy for studying. For example, how much time you should give to world history post-independence. Third, it will eliminate the areas having high input and very low output and vice versa. Because some of the subjects have very high input and very low output. For example, world history and post-independence. So here is a bonus hack for the above exercise that will save a lot of time of yours. Simply you need to do is to go to Google on your laptop or mobile phone and search subject name, that is for example history, geography, put space and to trend UPSC 2013 to 2020. Along with this, you will get a previous year questions of UPSC 2013 to 2022 of various institute and a compilation of it. You can simply categorize the whole previous year questions and save a lot of time of yours. So that was the hack for today. All the very best for the upcoming exams. If you like the video, hit that like button, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. जय हिंद। अगर आपको ये सेम वीडियो हिंदी में देखनी है तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है।